11 XY here at Tuff Streeters, and you guys have been lapping them up. So we thought, why don't we bring you another 1971 XY Falcon?
But if you can't see yourself driving this Tuff Falcon, we've also got the option of $100,000 cash, and this could be yours from just $30. But you've got to get in quick because this is only for 3 days.
The heartbeat of this thing is a 393 Cleveland with a scat rotating assembly, CH high heads, and matching manifold. It's got an ICE ignition and an 850 double pumper, and this thing pumps out over 640 horsepower.
Backed up by a C10 3-speed transmission with a 5600 converter, and in the back, running a strange 9-inch with Caltrax and V-Series welds all round.
As you've just heard, this thing is packed full of goodies, and it is a genuine 10-second street car.
So you know what you've got to do. Click the link below, get your entries in, because it is going to be drawn at 7 p.m. on Friday night.
Good luck,
Good luck.
guys.